Assalamu alaikum dear researchers and welcome to Statistics with IBM SPSS. In part 4 we are going to discuss one sample t-test. The purpose of one sample t-test is to test whether a sample mean is significantly different to a predetermined constant value. For example, the mean age of population is 20.2 years in Pakistan. So we are going to test if our sample's age significantly different from this mean age. For one sample t-test, we have two assumptions. Assumption number one is that our scale of measurement should be either interval or ratio, that is a scale. As you can see that we have for the age variable, it is a scale measure, not ordinal, not nominal. If we have ordinal or nominal, then we are going to use a non-parametric test. And secondly, our data should be approximately normally distributed. So as we have seen in our previous video, what we are going to do, we are going to explore and see if the normality plots with the test. Press OK. And where we can see that skewness and kurtosis are two measures. If they are less than 1.96, we can say that they are approximately normally distributed because that is two standard deviation. And similarly, we have a KS test that is also insignificant, which means it is normally distributed. We have Shapiro-Wilk test that is insignificant, which means it is normally distributed. Similarly, in QQ plot, our data sets are quite close to this straight line. That is also indication of normal distribution. In our detrended normal QQ plot, the values above and values below are quite similar. That is an indication of normal distribution. Here we have box plot, and then we have this stem and leaf plot, which also indicates a normal distribution, as you can see over here. So our condition for normal distribution is quite fulfilled. So let's move to one sample t-test. So we're going to see if the age of our sample is significantly different from the mean age, that is 20.2 years of the national population. So we're going to go to analyze, compare mean and one sample t-test. Here we're going to select age and test value is 20.2. Also estimate the fact sizes and press OK. Now as you can see, this is the result of one sample t-test. This is sample statistics. So one sample t-test values with the comparison with 20.2 test value indicates that there is a significant difference such that this t is positive, which means our sample mean is greater than our test value, and this is the mean difference. And if we can also look at the effect sizes, cons D point estimates 2.7371, which means 2.73 times greater than the fact size is greater than the standard deviation, which is a large effect size, and that we can report in the study.